I am Udit, CEO from Swara Baby Products. We are into manufacturing of disposable hygiene products like baby diapers, adult diapers, feminine hygiene, and we are a more B2B player. The ethos is that we like to be partners with other brands. I think just the space that we are in, and as we say ourselves, is that we are a pure play business model of doing B2B categories, and we are a one stop solution. And within that, we are trying to find spaces to innovate and expand our product category. So that is very exciting. And in India, it still remains a very low penetrated category. So the opportunity in the coming few years from mid to long term is immense. I think, as I said in my previous two statements as well, just a pure play ethos of being dominant into B2B category where we are a brand behind a brand. I think 4 years back when we started participating here, that's when the growth cycle, growth engine started. Just the kind of exposure that we get here is immense. The presence that we get here and the feel of just exhibiting, you look forward to the month May, is a very proud feeling because I think over the last few years we've developed great relationship with the team at CMPL, but also has given us a chance to develop even deeper and stronger relationship with our brand partners. Valuable collections are invaluable, so we'd like to keep it to ourselves. But at the same time, we're thankful to the CMPL team for always giving us the opportunity to come and exhibit here. In our growth that has happened in the last few years, I think you guys have a immense role to play. I'll not use one word, but I'll like to say, like always, opportunities.